And we are now coming to a startup working on a technology provider. And that's Mavisol from the Netherlands, the third startup we have from the Brightlist Camelot campus. Mavisol is short for Machine Vision Solutions. So Mavisol offers a machine vision and learning system to improve the recycling of PET, and thus contributing to circular economy and strongly reducing waste. So please welcome Nikolai Bredelev. He's CEO of Mavisol. Well, and you will explain to us what it's all about.
Hello.
We have a new presenter, obviously.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello.
Stage is yours.
So I'm going to present total delivery security for plastic converters by online machine vision and artificial intelligence. So our product, in the simple words, just a quality monitoring system. So I have to explain you what kind of product we plan to monitor and secure quality for it. Okay, came. So I think that part looks familiar for you. That's just PET consumer packaging. But we do not monitor the packaging itself. We monitor some intermediate products. So PET bottles made of PET preforms, such a different kind of plastic tubes, and the boxes and blisters made of PET film. I will concentrate on the PET preforms, but we have also product for PET flat films as well, but it would be easy to understand. So plastic converters deliver, even one plastic converters deliver billions of PET preforms to such companies as Coca-Cola, Pepsi-Cola, and other beverage companies. And Coca-Cola want to have it very cheap and with outstanding quality, which is not really easy to combine at all. So that's why usually one batch of PET preforms it's something like 50,000 pieces packed in one track. If even one PET preform defective, the Coca-Cola will return the whole track back to the plastic converter. So we have a lot of pains with quality, and we have something to help them. What are the pains actually? You know, for example, that 7-Up bottles are green, so when we produce a PET preforms, we need to dye them. And it could be the problem with the intensity of the color, or it could be even the wrong color in the batch, because you switch from one preform to another at the molding machine, which makes PET preforms. But another even more bigger problem is a so-called black specks. That's actually contamination of the recycled PET from recycled PET. But PET converters forced to use more and more recycled PET nowadays, which is good actually, but it's really challenging because you can the probability to get a problem with the quality is much higher if you use more of air PET. But the cost of the fault, so one batch return costs about 3,000 euro per batch. They could have one plastic converter factory, could have even several hundreds batch returns per year. So you can multiply and you imagine that's the price of the fault. So we have solution to help. It consists of the hardware part. Okay, no pointer. No. So we have hardware and the software assisted. Both products are our own and they are unique. And it's really easy to install and to learn, operate, and service. The key thing from our solution that this is online solution. So you monitor preform quality during the production process in place. And you do 100% monitoring for color and for the black specs. Our system could be installed in each molding machine. That means in each production line. So you could deliver the total quality monitoring for the whole factory for all your products. As a result, of course, you have high efficiency, you have high delivery security and production quality. You will reduce your logistics cost because you have no returns. And one of the most important thing, you can expand amount of rPET in your product significantly without risk of the batch return, without financial risks. And of course, you can raise your production output. And as effect, you will have, it's based on the real facts, you can reduce amount of the batch returns in 10 times. So instead several hundreds, you will have several, so maybe something like 20 returns per year only, just due to that simple, easy to install and operate system. That you can see how it works. Actually, within 3 years, we have installed 30 prototype system at our customers, and they were so happy to have them. It was not a finished product, actually. It was just a prototype, but they were so happy to use it. Even one of our customers got Coca-Cola's award as the best supplier of the year with our prototype. So in the past, they have to use human beings at each line and do sampling every 10 minutes for certain amount performs. That means they were able to monitor only 5% of the product. But with our solution, we just need one person who monitor the whole production, all production lines. And all data goes to the cloud and could be retrieved at any time, and you can check what happens last night or last year even. We feel really confident to the competitor because they are 3 or 4 times more expensive and they are not able to provide 100% monitoring, and they just monitor on nearly the same properties as we do, that's such a color and black specs. This is what happens in the industry nowadays. We move the quality monitoring from the lab to the line, to the production. So you can adjust your production according to the quality characteristics. So you got immediate alert that something went wrong with your production. That's why you are able to save 100 or 200,000 euro every year. And that means a return of investment for our product 1 or 2 years. The whole PET preform market in the world is 65,000 lines, molding machines producing PET preforms. And we plan to take all the European market, which is really sensitive for usage of rPET and the energy, and they have a really expensive stuff. So we expect to sell about 1,000 lines, next 1,000 monitoring our systems per next 10 years. And the growth of the market looks fantastic. It's 56% till 2030. Here's our business model, and we plan our revenue within 5 years within 2 million annual, 2 million euro. And this is not only solution we have, we also have as a laboratory prototype solution for PET flat films. And we have also another idea for the absolutely different applications, but also flat material, which is fiberglass textile. It's also flat like a film, so we are able to monitor that. So we plan to diversify our business, and we have solid roadmap to develop. And for the first round, for the pre-seed, we need 800,000 euro. So Fortunately, 200,000 already secured with the private business angel. So we are looking for 600,000 euro more. Oh. So this is our goal.
Please come to an end.
Yeah. So our solution allows, we really want to push the packaging manufacturers, push them to take decision about the manufacture in data-driven way. And of course, it's one of the most important thing. We also push them for the wider usage of the AirPad, which is easy to do with our system. And of course, that will allow it will allow to reduce the amount of energy for the production and the amount of waste in that production. So, please, here's the price of the ticket. You can join us in our success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nikolai.